In this short video tutorial, we would show you how to disable an internet connection on your Windows PC. Now for the first method, try turning on airplane mode in Windows. Do this by clicking on your network connection on the system tray, then click the airplane mode tile. Now this will disconnect the PC from all wired and wireless connections immediately. To reconnect, you can just return to the network connection, then click the airplane mode again. Next up, disable the network adapter. Do that by opening Control Panel, click Network and Sharing Center, or View Network Status and Tasks, then click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the adapter you want to disable, then click Disable. Now the adapter will be inactive and will remain so until you enable it. Lastly, you can try disabling Wi-Fi. Do it by opening your system tray again, click the Wi-Fi icon, then choose Disconnect. To re-enable the adapter, click your network icon again in the taskbar, then click the Wi-Fi option again. So those are the 3 easy ways to disable your internet connection in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.